What is the proper way to comment functions in Python? Is there a generally accepted way to comment functions in Python? Is the following acceptable?
The correct way to do it is to provide a docstring. That way, help_add will also spit out your comment. That's 3 double quotes to open the comment and another 3 double quotes to end it. You can also use any valid Python string. It doesn't need to be multi-line, and double quotes can be replaced by single quotes. See Pep 257.
Use docstrings. This is the built-in suggested convention in PyCharm for describing function using docstring comments.
Use a docstring, as others have already written. You can even go one step further and add a doctest to your docstring, making automated testing of your functions a snap. Use a docstring. A string literal that occurs as the first statement in a module, function, class, or method definition. Such a docstring becomes the _doc_ special attribute of that object. All modules should normally have docstrings, and all functions and classes exported by a module should also have docstrings. Public methods, including the _init_ constructor, should also have docstrings. A package may be documented in the module docstring of the _init_.py file. Package directory. String literals occurring elsewhere in Python code may also act as documentation. They are not recognized by the Python bytecode compiler and are not accessible as runtime object attributes, i.e. not assigned to _doc_, but 2 types of extra docstrings may be extracted by software tools. String literals occurring immediately after a simple assignment at the top level of a module, class, or _init_ method are called attribute docstrings. String literals occurring immediately after another docstring are called additional docstrings. Please see Pep 258, Docutils Design Specification 2 for a detailed description of attribute and additional docstrings.
If you want to talk to Emre, the answer